module, we skim and scan about the questions. Now suppose this is our passage. So what we will do in skimming and scanning, we will definitely start with the questions first, and then we will just skim the words and scan that word or synonym of that word which is given in the question. So we will not read the whole paragraphs, we will just skim. Skimming means from one side to another, we will just move in this way. Okay, we will not go through each and everything. We will just find the synonym for the words, or we will find those words in the paragraph which are needed for the answer. Now suppose these are the questions. Okay, what we can do in these questions? The question says we have to match these people with their findings. Who has found what? So what we will do, we will just skim and scan these words. We will underline these name of the people like Rothschild, Alper, Woodfield, Tuckle, Angress, Shade, Kirkup and Lee. We will firstly find these names, that means we will scan these words in the paragraph, and then we will find that what reportings they have given in the passage. Now see, I will not read a single word, I will not do anything in the paragraph, I will just scanning the name of the finders, okay, the people. So this what I am doing, I am just skimming the paragraph as I am not finding the first word which was Rothschild. It's here Rothschild. What I will do, I will just underline this word, okay, then I will move further. Okay, if we will move further, we will skim. What we'll get, we get Alper here, and if we move further, what we'll get, we will get any name, other name. It's Woodfield, which was also in the question, and next was Turkle, and you have to find the word Turkle. Are you getting the word? Yes, it's here, Turkle. And next, moving further, the next name is, you have to find is Angrist. Can you find the word Angrist here? As I'm not getting that, let's have a look. Hurry up. See, it is yeah, here it is Angrist. See, so what we will do, we will just underline these words, and after underlining we will find that what they are saying, what are actually their findings. So let's have a look how we will scan their findings. So suppose, let's see what Rothschild wants to say. Like suppose he wants to say that the principle that you do not have mechanism to drive a car can also be applied to information and communication technologies. Gone are the days when a computer uses needed knowledge for a programming language. One hand in the newsman. Women can now use computers without needing computer science qualification. That gives ICTs the potential to enhance women's education, but our lack of ICT skills is not praiseworthy. Feminist writers for many years have argued that if more women were engineers and scientists, we might live in a very different world. So we will say this finding is there in the answer. Let's see. Now let's see. Men and women perceive, no, there was nothing like this. Advantages in school, no, school was there. Man ICT is exciting new area of female students find working on their own unappealing, no. A greater female representation in scientific would have enormous benefits, no. Women can see, yes, it is saying a greater female representation in scientific and technical posts would have enormous benefits. That means you can see what we got that over here, what it was saying engineer and scientists, we must live in a different world. That means they can benefit the world more if the feminist worker work in these fields. If the female women work in these fields, we will have a different world. So we will have enormous benefits of women working in this. So in this way, what we do, we will just skim and scan. What we did, firstly we just skim the paragraph and scan these words, correct? We scan these words, and then what we did, we just read about the findings of these people, and what we did, we just find that in the answers, and we were just matching. So this is a kind of skim and scan which you should do in your reading. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.